In this video I'm going to show you how to add attachment to your email using iPhone mail application. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up Mail app and here hit add that sign to start creating a new email. Now there at the first field just enter the email of your recipient. Then you can tap here and type in a subject, and then just tap here at the email feed to bring up that options. And now you can attach here some file. If you want to attach some media file like a photo or video, you can hit add that photo icon and select the media file from your phone's gallery. You can just simple tap at that file to attach it to your email. Also, there you can add a document. For that, hit add that document icon. It opens up your files, and here you can select a file and then just hit add that file to add it to your email. Now you see how it looks like. And also you can use your camera, just hit there at camera icon, and now you can take a picture, just hit add record button, and then you can retake it or hit add use photo to attach that photo to that email. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.